The Orkney-Vierfontein link that we are opening today will facilitate movement in this concentrated grain area and contribute to development and expansion of the industry. We believe that the grain industry is one of the areas where Transnet Freight Rail can regain its market share to contribute to food security, market expansion, and the resuscitation of rural and small towns. It is evident that the funding for the market demand strategy cannot cover all projects and therefore leaves additional opportunities in innovation or in innovative deal structuring in public-private partnerships or private sector participation programs to deliver the infrastructure and services required for the country. The branch line revitalization is important for Transnet, and our branch line teams are engaging stakeholders to develop additional business and economic activity in rural and small towns and major cities where it is present. We will partner in future on these branch lines with the development finance institutions, provinces, local authorities, customers, private sector, other public sector entities to secure improved economic activity that is sustainable over the long term.
This rail will contribute towards increasing traffic, particularly in the following areas: maize from northwest to mills in KwaZulu-Natal, as well as the ports of Durban and East London. Increasing volumes and shortening of distance for maize transportation from the Western Free State to mills in Randfontein. Distribution of fuel by rail, supporting the manganese and iron ore flow to Newcastle, Cato Ridge and Durban. Providing an alternative route for passenger trains when the line between Orkney and Kimberley becomes unavailable. Hopefully, the grain industry will expand as a result of this rail link. Transnet, as our state-owned company, has today shown what is meant by supporting the objectives of a developmental state. Through the opening of this branch line, we expect the creation of sustainable jobs. The revitalization of branch lines should be seen as intended to unlock economic potential both regionally and locally. Government, Transnet, and private sector need to collaborate on these revitalization processes whenever feasible. We expect support for junior miners, existing business, emerging farmers, rural development, and skills development. We all have a responsibility to develop and protect these lines. They belong to all of us. Given the importance of linking communities, towns, cities, and the facilitation of local economic transactions, it is important that we consider the situation of the currently closed lines.